sweat it when cats get the flexing. Kick them to the curb routinely. I'm undressing. I count my blessings, minus stress in my mind. Cause one thing you can't buy back is your time that you wasted. So they two-faced it. Don't try to replace them. Fuck them. Being like this overrated. Just had a birthday. I turned 20. I'm satisfied. Cause wondering if I'll see 20 used to keep me up at night. Cause see, your birthday could turn to your worst day. Better yet, your last day when them killers thirsty. Video game ass niggas quick to pull the trigger, but trust there's always someone realer. Well, I got a game for you. Suck my Dragon Ball Z. Hear what I'm super saying. All you cats is corny. I hit you with the sonic boom, dig you up so I can raise your tomb, you buffoon. If you ain't noticed, I kinda like PlayStation, Need for Speed shit. Always ahead in this race called life. I'm nice. Just ask your girl, she told me I was great. Twice. Came back for the third, but I told her ass to swerve. Now her man, I took where he ain't even deserved. I'm lyrically inclined. With the pen, I'm sublime, one of a kind. Oh wait, I guess there's another Jordan in his prime. Other than that, they ain't seeing me. Different type of flow, my nigga, it flows upstream. As if bitches get money, or money get bitches. Well, I don't need either. I'm obviously rich, kid. See what I spit? It got content. I don't just sound nice. It does, but the fact I got a vocab, put it like this, it ups the price. Got good grades, and I'm not a thug. Judge me. It don't take you telling me to know I'm different, B. So what I'm saying is I'ma do me regardless. That means it's happening. Even if you ain't a part of this. Even if you ain't a part of this. My nigga, if you a part of this.